Are we live? Yes. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's live stream. A quick disclaimer before we start, nothing you see here is a financial advice. I'm just sharing how I trade the markets in real time. You're responsible for your own decisions. So let's get started. So February is here. We ended January, I believe. Let's see. We ended January at 2126 pips. So yeah, great. And now we are in February, so it's the perfect time if you want to start. Sorry for not being able to do live streams on Friday, I believe, and on Thursday. I was pretty busy. So today I've already entered multiple trades. So NZUSD, CHFGPY, CDGPY, EURUSD, and AUD So this one, I sent this trade on the free Telegram. It's the first link in the description. And like always, in this session, we will be trading gold. So, why I can't see no... Where is my indicator? Yes. So, if we can see gold is continuing going down. Started the week with the gap to the downside, continued going down, then did a pullback. We didn't break this high, did the pullback here, and here it seems like we will go down further. So yeah, price action is pretty clean, and yeah, I will be looking for an entry soon on the live stream. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Let me quickly delete. Yeah, I thought this is a level that I did. That's why I removed my indicator. So yeah. Let me see if we sell here. Stop loss will be this. And yeah, I would rather wait for this candle to close than decide. Because yeah, we can see clearly that this candle has broke this wick right here and these highs. But we need to wait until the candle ends, because it can simply wick and print a bullish candle or even a bearish candle that indicates that the price is not ready to go down yet. So it's better to wait and see. I forgot to share the live stream link in Whoop. Give me a second, everyone, and yeah, let me know what do you think about the video that I shared that day. My first YouTube video breaking down the trade that I took on the live stream. Please let me know what do you think about it and which kind of videos you will be interested in on YouTube. Because yeah, this YouTube game is pretty new to me and I don't know, to be honest, what to post. You see, there is a small rejection right here. So yeah, I was thinking about going in here, but yeah, we would be already in drawdown. So we need to wait for a bit. I want the price to go down, for example, to go up, sorry, then took a sell if we can target these levels right here. This is the plan. But if I see the other plan, if I see that the price is wicking on this level right here, I will consider to buy. So yeah, I will share the link in Whoop, my free Whoop, and now let's see if we can get an entry. I just need the price to go up a bit, and yeah, this is a beautiful downtrend. If we, yes, start only from this morning. So yeah, we are at the 61% level. I just need an opportunity to sell, that's it. And if you have any questions, everyone, just let me know. I don't like when the chat is so quiet, to be honest. Yeah. At least say hi. So where is the CAD-GPY? Yeah, we are moving closely. Yeah, I think 66. Since my entry, we moved 11 pips towards TP1. So yeah, I shared this trade for free in the Telegram. You can check it out at the first thing in the description. Let's go back to gold and see. Yeah, it doesn't want to give us an entry. We have also this EMA. This is a strong one. Yeah, selling here will be irresponsible. And yeah, TP1 will be here. So the price needs to break this EMA, break this wick and touch the TP1. That's why I will not enter right now. But even if the price come to this, let me show you. 50 pips. So it needs to come to the 47.16 level. Yeah, somewhere here to be able to sell, or even all the way up to have a good trade. But for now, I will not enter. There is another opportunity. You see there is an uptrend right here. We didn't break this low here, and yeah, if price reacts to this level right here, I will consider a buy, but this is not quite A+ setup. So the perfect setup will be waiting for the price to come up, then sell it somewhere right here and to these levels. So this is a pretty simple trade. And for everyone watching, please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and put your notifications bell on to be notified next time when I go live, because I go live every single day at this time or a bit earlier to trade gold. And yeah, since starting live streams since I think 50 days now, yeah, results are quite good. But yeah, 90% of my trading happens privately, and I share all my trades with my Telegram members. Also, the volume is not that good. We have news at 1.5 almost later, so yeah, we still have time. We just need to find an entry, and so far I don't think there is an entry. An entry right here can be risky, either for buy or sells, because for a buy, so yeah, we will be protected by these levels right here, so the stop loss will be somewhere here. We will be protected, but yeah, you see how much momentum we have to the downside, and also there is no indications on these candles, these red ones, that we will reverse or we will move up. That's why a buy is also risky right now. That's why I'm staying put, and if you are profitable in trading, you know, yeah, the value of waiting until you see a clear setup that you can take, and not taking a trade just for the sake of the live stream, you know. So I will not be taking a trade just for the live stream, of course. So, and you can see here above, this is the results of the previous week. So if you can see from the 26th until the 30th. Yeah, gold is still moving down. Why the chat is so dead today? Come on, guys. What's wrong? Where's the music? Hello. Finally, someone. Yeah, I'm doing good. And you? I really want the price to go up to take a position. Yeah, this is my perfect trade. Also, a trade here will be good if I see big wick or something, but it's not as good as this one right here. Hey there, just got in. Hello, Emmanuel. Waiting for the A+ setup. Yeah, because yeah, like I was saying, I will not take a trade just for the live stream. I will wait for a setup that I really believe in, you know. Either buy here, this is okay setup, or sell somewhere above here. This is an A+ setup, because we will be yeah, continuing going down with gold. And if you have, guys, any questions, just let me know regarding the live stream, Telegram, regarding me, anything. And but for now, we wait. Yeah, we see a first rejection right here on exactly on this EMA. Maybe I will take a trade. Yeah, because it looks decent. 70 pips, 50 pips. Maybe I will target 30 pips for this trade because it's under the EMA. Rudy, yeah, how are you, bro? Long time no see either. Yeah, I will take a trade, but I will be targeting 30 pips, not 50 pips. Let me see. What's going on? 96. What's happening? Why the price is not moving? Let's see it moving on my MT4. So 46.96. And yeah, this is not an A plus setup. 46.96. So 47.06. 47. Why the price is not moving? 47.16 and 46.89. Why the price is not moving? Why the price is not moving, guys? So I see 46.96, 46.99. What the hell? 46.89. What's wrong? 93. Yes. What about? I'm doing good, thank you. What the hell? 47.05. Yeah, price is. I'm sorry, guys. What's? Let me quickly check something. 6. Candles are so big. I would close at 46.96 and 47.06. So stop loss to the entry. $46.96, 47.16. I've never thought that the candles will be this big, to be honest. 46.96 is my entry. TP1 is this. The stop loss is this. So yeah, candles are pretty big. Yeah, sorry. And now I think we touched this entry. Let me see. Yeah, but I always trade in 70 pips stop loss on gold. But yeah, this is funny, to be honest. So yeah, TP1 is hit, but yeah, this is nonsense. Oh, TP1 is hit, but I just closed manually. So because yeah, I never thought that the price will, the candles will be that big. I didn't notice that. I closed this trade. This is nonsense. Yeah, I never thought that the candles will be this big. Yeah, this is the trade. Yeah, this is, I didn't have the opportunity. Yeah, the entry was at 46.96. Yeah, I closed that manually, and these guys have closed manually too. So let's see. Yeah, on the 5-minute, candles are that big? What? Let me see. 70 pips. Oh. Oh, we can't trade 70 pips. So hopefully, yeah, we have been stopped out. But yeah, let's come up with a plan for the live stream. Yeah, look how big is this hourly candle. Let's check the CFDJPY. Yeah, not moving. Silver also, same thing. So we will get back to my initial plan, and 500 pips is the correct stop loss, not 70 pips, because with 70 pips, you are right, Rudy, you can't trade 70 pips with these conditions. 500 pips, 300 pips seems logical. Yeah, because 70 pips. Yeah, let's suppose that we got in at 4700. So 70 pips will be here. This is not possible even on the 1 minute time frame. But look at this entry. Let's wait. I would be entering another trade. Here the stop loss will be 200 pips and the TP will be here. So, and I will use a smaller lot size. So 47.14. Yeah, this is my entry. The stop loss is at 200 pips and the TP is at 400 pips for, yeah. So the stop loss is at 34 and yeah, with one TP, and the take profit is at 46. Yeah. Let's get my MetaTrader to show you, yeah. What's wrong? So this is my position. Let's and let's see, maybe we will close in the middle, I don't know. So to our trade, let's see. So enter it right here, targeting these lows and stops above the EMA and above this low too, because we reacted to this low here when we rejected this level. But yeah, it's a funny live stream, to be honest, because I would never, yeah, assumed that prices are like this and 70 pips would look like we have a 10 pips stop loss. I'm still testing a strategy and will start sharing trades again in the prop firm channel. I want something that anyone can execute on their prop firm account, not something that will be hard for you guys to execute, if you know what I mean. But you can take my other trades too and use them for your for your prop firm account. You just need to adjust your risk. Let me get the MetaTrader again and see if it will work. Connection failed. Why? Why? And it's working here. Last 3 months. Yeah, it's working. Custom period, let's count since last week. T0908, we are 60 pips in profits. But I see here on my broker account there is some difference between prices on TradingView and price on the broker side. 0.6. Yeah. Gold is acting weird today. Super volatile, super volatile. I don't advise any one of you guys to trade gold, to be honest. Let's hope this, yeah, this candle will be stopped by this EMA. It didn't. Let's wait for this one. We have 100 pips till the stop loss. On Wednesday, gold is moving like that. No, we did took some trades, I believe, on gold, but it wasn't like this. From Wednesday, you're saying? No. Tuesday, Wednesday, yeah, we took, yes, yeah, you're right. You're right. We took some trades here on Tuesday, but yeah, no problem. We will adapt. No problem. We will simply increase the stop loss distance and lower our lot size. That's all. Let me see if I'm in profits. Yes. So good rejection here. And yeah, I think I will close 30% of my trade here and leave the rest. Yes, so I close 30%. If you can see right here, where is it time? Yeah, this is the trade earlier. I closed 1,400 and I will be closing 30% right here and leave the rest for the TP3. When the crash started, yes, Rudy, you are right. Yeah, it's a messy day. Because I didn't trade on Friday, I didn't took any trade. So I didn't see the charts also. And stop loss to the entry, of course. So I will not risk more on this. And yeah. So recap, I closed 30% of my trade here. And if the price and moved the stop loss to the entry, let me write it down so you can see it, because yeah, I don't like how this is going. Maybe if we got stopped out at entry, maybe I will think about entering here at this level, but yeah, let's wait. So are we out? Not yet. Custom period from last week. So yeah, we are out. So yeah, these both, we are out. So let's look for another entry. because if you can see, gold is clearly rejecting both this level right here. Let me draw it to you, sorry. This level and EMA. So perfect, the absolute perfect trade will be right here with, let me see, now we'll be right here with our 70 pips stop loss. But the second absolute trade will be here. Let's do 150 for the stop loss, and the TP will be 500 pips. So this is the second best trade that we can take. Let's see, now the price is rejecting the EMA a bit. So let me remove this. Let's see. And everyone, don't forget to like the live stream and subscribe. So we will do 150 pips from here. 22, yeah, price moved so fast. Price moved so fast. It moved 100 pips in seconds. So let's see if we can catch it right here, because it will return. 20, we would be interested either in 24 or 28 here. Because you can see clearly that the gold wants to go down. And let's see if we can revisit this wick right here with this candle, so we can take a sell. 24, let's go up, 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 let's go up. Come on, come on, come on. 26, 27, 28. Great. I catched it at 26 with the lower lot size, of course. So 25.92, so that's 26. Let's do 500 and let's do 150. Let's see, 150 looks good. So yeah, these are only trades for the live stream. So let's see, the TP1 will be 2010. Let's do 100 pips for the TP1 at 10. No, that's 160 pips. Let's do the second at 26 at 250. Let's see. So the TP1 will be right here at 160 pips. The second TP will be at 220 pips, and the third TP will be at 500 pips. 01. And the last one will be at 47.76. 46.76. Stop loss is at 47.41. I will draw the levels, the TP levels soon, so you can see 41. So TP1 is hit. We move the stop loss to the entry at 26. 47.26. Stop loss at entry 47.26. So let me write it right here. Stop loss SL at break even, and I will show you the TP1 hit of 160 pips. So TP1 was at 47.10. 47. 47.10. This was the TP1. Are we out? Not yet. We are out, I believe. Yes. Let's do today. Today is from the 2nd. Yeah, we are looking good, to be honest, even though the price is not helping that much. So these are today trade. So from time, so this is the last break even, TP1 of 160 pips. This is the break even, these two. This is the TP1 also, where I took 30% of the trade. And this is the trade that I entered earlier, the first one. Yeah, when I didn't notice that prices are insane this today. So have you guys catched this trade or not that I was in? Answer me. Maybe I will think about going in again if the price comes back here. But for now, I'm not in a trade on gold. Trade, so 28 I've entered, 28 I believe, or 29, let's see. My entry is at 29, so I will do 150 pips also, and we will target 550. You need a very big capital. I'm not trading gold this day. Yeah, that's why I told you guys don't trade gold. So the stop loss will be at 44, I believe. Yes, 44, 29, 19. I don't advise trading gold for people who have less than $1,000 on their account, their personal account. And with this condition, these conditions, you need $5,000, $10,000 on your account. 47, 44 is the stop loss. Let me quickly do the stop loss because I don't want to have a gold trade in these conditions without a stop loss. So the TP1 will be somewhere here, 29. Let's do 09 at 200 pips. 29, 200 pips is a lot, I believe. Let's do 150 at 14. 47, 14, and 47, 14, that's the TP1. So, and the TP2 will be somewhere here. Entry is at 29, 99, let's do 99. 29 and 99. TP2 at 46.99 at 300 pips. $46.99. And the TP3 will be at 74. 46.74. What's scares me the most is this EMA right here. I don't want it to stop the price from going down and act as a support, but I will keep an eye on it. So let me check 47.14 and this will be at 74, the TP3. So something like this. This is a good RR trade, but yeah, we need this EMA to stop acting as a support and keep the price going down. Crazy gold with 0.01 lot size. Yes, you're right. So we are approaching the TP1. Let's see. Time. So at 17, we have the TP1 at 14. Let's see. This EMA, I believe, stopped from acting as a support. And let's hope this. And we don't forget, guys, that we are trading on the 1 minute time frame now. So, and let's see if this candle will go straight to our TP1 so I can move my stops to the entry. But yeah, let me know, guys, what do you think about this live stream? I really want your honest opinion and what I can improve. And if you guys want to access my Telegram, it's the first link in the description, of course. Yeah, you can use my same principles with 70 pips stop loss or with 150 pips stop loss and 550 pips take profit for the last target that we have here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't like also this engulfing candle here. Let's see if we touch the TP1. Sorry. Yes, TP1 is hit. Let's move the stop loss to the entry at 47.29. 47.29. Looking good. So I asked you guys what's your opinion about today's live stream. So with these crazy prices. So yeah, TP1 was hit. Let's see, we are at 10,000 only trading gold today. This is, what's this? 99. Is it TP2? Yes, 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 yes. So yeah, TP1 was at 1. Let's say 29. At 14 was at 150 pips. The second is at 300 pips or 200 pips. Yeah, 300 pips. Yeah, we were at 10,000. We are now at 18,000. And the stop loss, let me see. Stop loss is at break even. Let me get you the position. Yeah, the stop loss SL at 29 at break even. And we still have this last trade here. I manage it, catch it. So how much we did take today on gold? So this is stop loss break even hit. This is from the 96 to 03. This was a buy. 96 to 03 is 70 pips. Then we have from the 16 to 02. That's 140 pips. So that's 210 pips. And we have this one from 25 to 10. That's 150 pips. 150 pips. 150 plus 210. That's 360. And 360. Then we have here from the 29th, let's say to the 14th, that's 150 pips. Then we have 200 or 300 pips right here. So from the 29th until 99, so that 300 pips, so 810 pips in 50 minutes, 52 minutes. Yes, this is a trade with 3.67 RR. Hopefully, if it touch the TP3. You see, guys, you see the beauty of this strategy when you secure your profits, or at least one part of your profits right here, and move the stop loss to the break even here. You see the beauty of this strategy? So you don't risk that much and you avoid losses multiple times. So we can see here that there is a big wick on this EMA, the 4-hour EMA. Maybe I will close the trade because this is a very big trade. Maybe I will close the trade right here at 450 pips when it gets back. So let's leave it like this. But if it doesn't came back, so our stop is already at entry. So let's see. Yes. But yeah, price cannot do this whole move, so we can get here and jump in one candle. Price, even if price will continue going up, I think it will touch this point again and go up maybe. But yeah, based on my experience, this rarely the price touch an EMA then shoot straight up. It usually touch it multiple times, especially we are at the 1 minute time frame, so these candles should not scare you. Daxton, can you make an account with 100,000 or 2,000 and give us the investor password and see how you trade it with your strategy and your lot sizes? I don't think I will do that, but I have an idea in my mind. I will try this is a crazy idea, to be honest, and everyone let me know what do you think. So I'm thinking about starting a challenge. I will not be sharing my trades or something like that, but only to grow my Instagram when I will deposit $1,000. I will deposit $1,000 in an account and try to flip it to $1 million. I never did that. 1M. So, and I really need, I believe, 10 trades with 1-to-1 risk ratio, risking 100% per trade. This is crazy. What do you think about this? So let's do it. I need 10 flips, risking 100% of this $1,000 capital. So 1,000 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, I need 10 trades in a row with 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, risking 100% of the capital. Yes, one loss, I lose everything. What do you think about this, everyone? Should I go for it? I will do but yeah, you need to know that I will not be successful the first time, so I will do a series. Yes, go big or go home. So, and that's $1,000. I have no problem losing it. So, yeah, I will try to flip. Let me give you the math. I will try to flip 1,000 to 2,000. Yeah, then 2,000. That's the first trade. Let me write it right here. So let me close. Let me delete this. I think this trade will hit my break-even point. So I will explain to you the logic behind this challenge. And yeah, since I want to grow my social media this year, I think it will be great. So let's do the $1,000 deposit. So a trade where with, let me see if we are stopped out or not. Yes, we are stopped out. So yeah, $1,000 to, let me show you, $1,000 to $2,000. That's 1-to-1 risk reward ratio trade, risking 100% of the capital percent. So then 2,000, this is the first trade. The second trade is risking 2,000 to 4,000. The third trade, I just need 10 trades, is risking 4,000 to make 8,000. The fourth trade is risking 8,000 to make 16,000, 16K. The fifth trade, $16K to $32K. The sixth trade is $32K to $64K, I believe, or 732 to 64. Yes. The seventh trade, and this will be funny, to be honest. Imagine risking, yeah, I will get to the big numbers. The seventh trade is risking 64K to make 128K. The eighth trade is risking 128K to make, let's see, 120 times 2, that's 240, plus 16, that's 256, I believe. Yeah, 256K. The ninth trade is 256. Is it right? 128 times 2, yeah, times 2, and make 512K. The 10th trade is 512K until I think 512 times 2, 1 million and 1.024 M. What do you think about this plan? 24 or 28? 24. What do you think about this plan? Should I go for it? It will be so funny. I just need 10 trades in a row, risking 100% of my capital to make, yeah, imagine risking 512K at one trade of 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. Imagine that. Imagine that. Stefan, want to copy? Yeah. I will do a private challenge where I will try to do that by myself, but in the future I will think about doing this on the live stream. What do you think? Because I've never did that, to be honest. This is crazy. This is not trading. This is only for fun and only to grow my social media. So let's say I will lose this challenge 20 times, 30 times, 50 times. That's 50K. Imagine being able to do this challenge only one time from 50 times. So remove 50K from 1 million. You still have 950K. What do you think, guys? I really want to know your opinion so I can move further. Yeah, I don't want to trade starting from $20. To be honest, I don't like trading small amounts. $1,000 is reasonable. And yeah, Imagine I succeed in this one, it will be legendary. I will do this on my Instagram, the new Instagram that I created, this DAX and trades. Make sure to follow. I think on the first link on the description you will find an old Instagram that was deleted by Instagram for no reason. I don't know why. Your Insta, it's DAX and trades. You can Instagram, it's DAX and trades, simply DAX and trades. So Stefan, are you from Germany, I believe? Stefan Reuter, yeah, I believe you are from Germany. Welche Stadt? So let's check the CAD-GPY trade that we had earlier in the free Telegram. Yeah, TP1 is hit. Yeah, I shared this trade on the free Telegram for all of you. Nürnberg. I passed my DAF certificate in Nürnberg, in the old city. It's a beautiful city, to be honest. So, CAD-GPY, TP1 hit. And so because I've tried, yeah, sharing a lot of educations and everything, but yeah, no followers. There are decent views. I lost all my previous followers, but yeah, I believe this challenge will take this account up. So stay tuned, everyone. I will come up with because I really need a extremely high win rate strategy for this. If this is too hard, but no harm trying it. Maybe I will succeed, maybe I will not, but if I blow the account, you will see that I've blown the account and we will be laughing together. And I will simply redo the challenge until I make it happen. Any advice to turn 1K to 50K this year following your promise? No, this is gambling. This is simply gambling. This is not possible. It's not possible. You can do that, but you will make this money, then lose it all. Because when you get to 50K, you will think about turning 50K to 10 millions. And this is not possible. This is simply gambling. This is also gambling. This is not trading at all. This is only for fun, only for growing my socials. But if I succeed, I will have this in my account, and also I can get to 100K followers or something like that. And this was my goal since the start of the year. That's why I started live streaming, I started sharing reels and everything. I don't mean gambling. 1 to 2 in 1 year, that's 1K to 50K, that's thousands percent. That's, yeah, many thousands percent. Yeah, that's, I think the best trader in the world is pulling 10% per month, in my opinion. The best, the absolute best, is pulling 10% to 20% per month at most. But you can ask ChatGPT and he will do the calculations for you. But I don't believe that. I don't believe it's possible. And 21k to 50k. So a trick that I suggest is learn to trade. If you want to turn 1k to 50k in a year, if you have a strong strategy, if you follow your plan, if you have a good discipline, if you don't FOMO, that don't revenge and everything I'm always talking about, you can, you can easily turn 1k to 50k, but with challenges, not prop firm challenges, not personal account. Because with 1k, and if you do futures with 1k, I believe you can buy 4 or 5 100k account or something like that. And if you get, for example, if you get 500k or 400k funded, if you make in a whole year 10 or 12%, you will be having 50k. So this is my idea, because futures challenges are less expensive than the CFD challenges like FTMO and everything. So futures like Top Step, Alpha Capital are less expensive, but they have less daily drawdown and less overall drawdown at all overall. So I think this is a solid plan, but with compounding from 1k to 50k in a single year using my signals, no, you'll make me super stressed, to be honest. If I will not keep you in the premium, Rudy, because anytime I will share a trade, I will remember that you want to turn 1k to 50k, and I will be afraid of sending the trade, if you know what I mean. So I believe this is it for this live stream. Everyone, thanks so much for being with me, and yeah, it was a good one. We made, I think, 800 pips or something like that. And yeah, I would really like to know your opinions about the challenge that I talked about. So make sure to head to my Instagram and let's chat about it. Okay? And let's meet tomorrow for a new live stream. Maybe prices will cool down, but I have no problem. As you've seen, I didn't share all the trades I took on my premium Telegram, because yeah, many members have Telegram copiers, and I don't want to share a trade with 150 pips stop loss, and they have fixed lot sizes that they use for 70 pips stop loss. So that's why I didn't share these trades on premium, but I shared multiple ones. Let's hope we get some profits. Okay, thank you so much for being with me here on this live stream today, and yeah, let's meet tomorrow, and let me come up with something so I can pull this up, because it will be amazing. So thank you so much, and let's meet tomorrow.